USPAP, page 182, table of contents. I don't know if we're going to do all this, but Ford is on page 181. USPAP composition, structure, and compliance. Page 189. I don't know if I'm going to do all that. Just going to go through it real quick. 1, applicable edition of USPAP. 2, complying with USPAP by choice. 3, USPAP applicability evaluation for financial reporting. 4, assignment involving analysis of leases. 5, USPAP compliance as an instructor. 6, personal property appraisal requirements. 7, USPAP compliance with other valuation standards. 8, differences between appraisal and appraisal report. 9, public trust, new. Ethics rule, conduct. 10, don't accept unless you can appraise for XXX dollars. 11, appraiser coercion. 12, plagiarism. 13, use of qualitative terms. 14, conflicts of interest. 15, disclosing prior appraisal of a property. 16, appraising a property more than once in 3 years. 17, disclosure requirements when an appraiser has not performed services regarding a property in the prior 3 years. 18, disclosure of any prior services regarding the subject property when an appraiser has appraised the property multiple times. 19, disclosure of prior services. 20, disclosure of any prior services regarding the subject property before accepting an assignment when the appraiser only works for one client. 21, disclosure of any prior services regarding the subject property when an appraiser has performed services other than appraisal practice. 22, disclosing prior services provided by my company. 23, disclosing prospective interest in a property. 24, disclosing prior services of pre-printed form reports. 25, does a request for a final inspection require disclosure of prior services? 26, does utilizing a property as a comparable sale require disclosure of prior services? 27, format for disclosing prior services at the time of assignment. 28, value opinions that equal contract prices. 29, are condition and marketability reports covered by USPAP? 30, unacceptable assignment conditions, non-disclosure of facts. 31, does disclosure of prior services apply to appraiser or property? New. Ethics rule, management. 32, fees paid for procurement of an assignment. 33, coupons for price discounts. 34, payment of fees to be included on approved appraisers list. 35, conducting drawings to procure appraisal assignments. 36, reducing appraisal fees when transactions fail to close. 37, appraisal fees as percentages of value conclusions. 38, appraisal fee is contingent on the appraised value. 39, appraisal fee based on outcome of assignment. 40, acting as an appraiser. 41, USPAP certified advertisement, which is on page 205. Page 183. 42, appraiser's fees based on pending sale price. 43, discounted appraisal fees. 44, disclosure of referral fee amounts. 45, reciprocal business arrangements. 46, does USPAP apply if there is no assignment fee? 47, can appraisers perform comp check assignments for free. 48, is disclosure of a free comp check assignment required? 49, appraisal fee paid at close of financing transaction. Ethics rule, confidentiality. Number 50, reporting of adverse conditions. 51, due process of law. 52, disclosing results of appraisal assignments. 53, verifying completion of an appraisal. 54, appraisal report received by others. 55, disclosure of a prior assignment. 56, sample appraisal reports and the ethics rule. 57, providing sample appraisal reports. 58, confidentiality and sample appraisal reports. 59, delivering a report by email to a client. 60, confidentiality and intended users. 61, confidentiality and review appraisers. 62, disclosure of assignment results to state appraisers regulatory agency. 63, due process under confidentiality. 64, communicating confidential information to a sworn peace officer. 65, confidentiality and peer review committees. 66, confidentiality and privacy regulations. 67, when does appraiser-client confidentiality end? 68, copywriting and appraisal report. 69, selling an appraisal firm and ethical obligations. 70, purchasing an appraisal firm and ethical obligations. 71, providing a copy of a work file, new. 72, are physical characteristics confidential, new. 73, physical characteristics or assignment results, new. 74, physical characteristics or assignment results, residential real property example, new. 75, physical characteristics or assignment results, non-residential real property example, new. 76, physical characteristics or assignment results, machinery and equipment example, new. 77, physical characteristics or assignment results, fine art example, new. 78, what are reasonable steps, new. Record keeping rule. 79, contents of a work file. 80, disposal of work files. 81, photocopies of appraisal reports and work files. 82, work files for appraisal review assignments. 83, purging work files at a client's request. 84, work file retention with more than one appraiser. 85, responsibility of work file retention. 86, trainee access to work files. 87, appropriate work file retention and access arrangements. 88, may access to a work file be denied. 89, access and retrieval of work files. 90, signed certification in true copies. 91, creating a work file after report delivery. 92, is a transcript required for oral report and testimony. Page 227.